Do it, man. Come on.
Guys, you can't force somebody to yawn. I'm not gonna. I can't do it. I don't want to.
We're all doing it.
Oh, it feels so good.
It's refreshing.
Not everyone out in the world. No, I'm not doing it.
Do it, man. We're all doing it.
I don't want to do it. I'm not gonna yawn.
Do it.
I can't.
Do it.
I'm not going to do it. I'm not gonna yawn. You guys, you can't make me yawn, okay?
We're all doing it.
Okay, I'm not doing it. Okay, fine. Ready?
That's a
There we
fake
go.
yawn. It's not
It
real.
still counts.
No, do it.
Oh my god.
Do it for real.
I can't do it for real.
Do it.
Really, guys?
it.
Really?
Do it.
Okay, fine. I'll do it.
That night, Jonah fell asleep 2 hours earlier than his normal bedtime. His sleep schedule was thrown off for weeks to come, ultimately affecting his social and work life. Yawning is peer pressure. Join Yawn, Youths Against Noises.